Let's make a rocket nozzle in FreeCAD. Let's get started. So I'm going to create a new body, a new sketch. Let's choose the XY plane. I'm just going to make a spline in the general shape of a rocket nozzle. Doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, that looks about right. Close it. Well, actually, let's go back into the sketch and add some lines on either end of the rocket nozzle and connect them. Okay, get rid of our redundant constraints. Okay, now we're going to revolve this around the x-axis. Alrighty. Let's go into part design, or part rather. And I'm going to select the exit of the nozzle and use the thickness option, the thickness utility. So what this does is you select a face and then all other faces have a thickness of 1 millimeter. So this is the face that I selected. It has a hole through it, but all other faces have 1 millimeter thickness. Select OK. We're going to go back into part design. Now I don't want to put this thickness back into the body, the original body, because I'm going to have a lot of errors. Don't fall into that trap. So I'm going to just create a new body and put the thickness in there. Okay. And I want to add a pocket on this face. So select the face. Let's make a sketch and just add a simple circle. And I'm going to pocket this circle. There you go, as simple as that. Thanks so much to all those who have already subscribed to my channel. If you could leave a comment down below saying that you subscribed, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you for watching.